Okay, good afternoon, Aparajita. Welcome to YourPedia.
Thank you, sir.
So
Good
this is
afternoon.
your final mock interview
Yes,
for UKPSC ITI principal.
yes, sir.
So please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Aprajita. I am from Srinagar, Uttarakhand, and I have graduated from Chitkara University in BE Electronics and Communication. I have over 4 years of experience as a training center in charge and as a production engineer in Secure Meters Limited, Udaipur, and as a project engineer in Bharat Electronics Limited, Panchkula.
Bharat Electronics Limited, Panchkula. Okay, now are you working there in BEL?
No, sir. I have left my job for the preparation of government services.
The Bharat Electronics Limited is a very good organization of the central government.
Yes, sir. But actually, I was on a contract basis there, on the company's contract. So it was not a permanent job. So I left the job for the preparation.
So in which campus you studies? In Rajpura or Himachal?
Sir, Rajpura campus.
Okay, how you find that campus?
So it was a good campus. We got many opportunities there. The teachers, the coordinators, they were very cooperative. We had good placement opportunities, a friendly learning environment there, and the labs, the classrooms, they were very advanced and good. So it was a good
In which
experience.
activities you were involved during your student life besides your studies?
Yes, sir. So, as a student in my school life, I was appointed as a house captain and then elected as a school captain. And I took part in various activities like dramatist, oratorship. I'm a very good orator. I took part in many activities such as speech, elocution, debates, etc. And I had represented my college in the Institute of Engineers, the Chandigarh chapter, and give a presentation on Engineers Day as well.
Okay. And what was your project?
So my project, actually, I had joined internship in the final year of my engineering in Secure Meters Limited, Udaipur. So my project was basically on revamping the training center.
Chitkara University Rajpura campus also motivate the students for entrepreneurship or their startups, and they also help financially and consultancy to startups to for the students. So have you involved any of these activities?
No, sir. I was not very much into the entrepreneurship program, so I focused on my placements.
Okay, please tell me about your strength and weaknesses.
So my strength is that I have worked in the organizations with like Secure Meters Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited, where I got the opportunity to collaborate with different departments. During my tenure, I worked as a training center in charge and as a production engineer. So that involved working with the HR and the technical group as well. So my strength is basically coordinating with different departments, and also I'm a good orator. And plus my weakness is that I basically deep dive into any subject. So until I complete my work or project, so it keeps bothering me till then.
Okay, when you completed your BTech?
2017.
17. And how long you work at BEL?
So for 1 year only.
And rest of the time,
Three
what you
years.
did?
So for 3 years, I was in Secure Meters Limited. For 1 year in Bharat Electronics Limited, and for the past 3 years, I am preparing for the government services.
Okay, how you find yourself as a good candidate for principal?
Sir, I feel myself as a good candidate for this post because as a training center in charge, I got the opportunity to work with the ITI apprentices to hire them. I went to the ITIs for the hiring purpose. I organized the counseling sessions. I got the opportunity with my team to make those non-technical people from the non-technical background and deploy them to the technical background. I got the opportunity to design the curriculum, to manage the training center, and I manage the training center of approximately the team of 10 persons. So, and also I collaborated with various departments in order to revamp the training center. Uh, in addition to this, we presented our project both from production and training center to the Quality Circle national and international chapter and got the Excellence Award. In addition to this, our training center got recognition from Skill India Mission as one of the best emerging institutes at national level.
When the Skill India mission was launched in India?
So 2015.
Okay, you have no experience of handling the pressure from parents and students.
Yes.
So how will you manage it?
So as we can see that the ITIs are mainly in the rural area. ITIs, the students hail from rural areas. The ITIs are in mainly in the cities. But as I have said that we have organized the counseling sessions. We can collaborate with the Panchayati Raj institutions and coordinate with the self-help groups who can motivate them. Also, as a woman, I lead by example. So the women candidates, they can get motivated from me as well. And with the help of the training, with the help of the trainers, the instructors, and the industry tie-ups, this will help me to motivate the students and improve the enrollment ratio in the organization.
What is your understanding about new education policy?
So the new education policy 2020, it focuses uh, on this 5+3+3+2 pattern. And in case of the vocational training, it focuses mainly on the vocational training and aims to enroll approximately 50% of the people, of the students in the vocational trades.
Well, these are the just minor part of the new education policy. Otherwise, what is new education policy? How it different from the previous one?
So it focuses on the hands-on. It focuses on the vocational training, the hands-on experience of the people, the students, and it gives them opportunity to select their areas of interest before the 10th standard and focus on that before it. I mean, in the middle school, from the 8th standard only, they can focus on their areas of interest and choose their areas of expertise.
Okay, what step would you take to build up reputation of your ITI in the local areas and the local industries?
Yes, sir. In order to build the reputation of the ITIs, we can collaborate with the Panchayati Raj institutions and the self-help groups. First of all, to make people aware of the ITI, the working of the ITI. So, in order to improve the enrollment ratio, after that, we can conduct the train the trainers program to improve the quality of the trainers so that the students are provided a learning friendly and a technical or the basically the expertise background. And after that we can collaborate with the industries or the local entrepreneurs so that they can come to our ITIs and the student will get a learning free the industrial environment then. Also we can conduct the industry visits so that the student will get they'll get aware of the industry environment.
And how you can resolve the conflict between staff and between staff members?
So, as a principal, I have to be neutral. Uh, I can act as a mediator there, and first of all, understand what is the conflict and listen to both the parties, and not by not taking sides of any, and making sure that they abide by the rules and regulations and norms of the organization. We can listen to that, and after that, try to peacefully resolve that conflict.
And what role you can play for the better placement of your students?
So for better placements, I can form a placement cell comprising of the instructors or as the principal as a head, and making students part of it so that they can also learn about the placements. Uh, I can launch a placement module for them so that they get aware of the industry working and how to conduct an interview, how to basically take part in an interview. We can focus on their soft skills, and also we can collaborate with the industries, the alumni as well, who can give them guest lectures and make them aware of the industry environment, the working there. We can basically we can also collaborate with the local entrepreneurs who can motivate them about the Startup India or the Stand Up India programs and motivate them into the entrepreneurship programs as well.
So, what is your vision for the future ITIs?
So, for the future ITIs and specifically for the ITIs I lead, I have the vision to make it as a center of excellence and make it a center of excellence for learning of for the rural youths to ensure 100% placements and to provide them a good learning environment. To make sure that the trainers, the team I lead, the trainers I lead, they impart good education or the vocational training, and to make my ITI as a model ITI and an example for the other ITIs as well. We can collaborate with the other ITIs in order to ensure that we not only create an impact on the rural youth, but create an impact on the society.
To develop the modern infrastructure or to provide the better facilities or upgrade your workshops, how you can use the CSR initiatives?
Yes, sir. The companies do have the CSR initiatives through which we can file the grants from them. And through the CSR initiatives, they can help us develop our labs, our workshops, and our infrastructure. Uh, in my previous organization, I too have done this work as a part of my CSR activity. We have went to the schools and upgraded the infrastructures and given the guest lectures to the students to motivate them. So we can collaborate with the industries and motivate them, and m- uh, make them interested to invest in our ITIs.
So, under which section the CSR initiatives are compulsory for the companies?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of this.
Okay, who is the governor of Uttarakhand?
Sir, right now, Gurmeet Singh, Mr. Gurmeet Singh.
And when the Uttarakhand state was formed?
Sir, in 2000, 9th November 2000.
Why the Uttarakhand state is famous for?
So Uttarakhand state is famous for the holy tourism and uh, basically for the tourism sector and the woolens in our border districts. As our state, it forms border with China and Nepal. So we are currently focusing on the Vibrant Villages program to develop it. Uttarakhand is famous for trekking the mountains here and the Char Dham Yatra, and also the holy places in the Kumaon region of Garhwal. We are also famous for the millet, the growing of millets, and the 2023 years, which was as a Shri An year of the millet years. So Uttarakhand focused on the development of the millets, on the production of the millets.
Okay, how many districts are there in Uttarakhand?
13 districts.
And how many state legislature seats are there?
So 70 seats.
Can you tell me few of the welfare schemes initiated by the state government for the students?
Yes, so first of all, there is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Vikas Yojana, and of course the Uttarakhand Skill Development Mission, the Pradhan Mantri Hunar Yojana, and the national schemes that are working here also, like the Drone Didi program, uh, the Vishwakarma Yojana here, and we have also the Veer Chandra Singh Garwali Tourism Yojana, Swarozgar Yojana, and Deen Dayal Upadhyay Homestays Yojana, which can help the local entrepreneurs to develop and boost the tourism.
Okay, Prajita, I will conclude this part of the interview. Actually, Mr. Gurmeet Singh is okay for the governor, but it will be better if we say that Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh retired, Lieutenant General retired Gurmeet Singh, right?
Okay. Yes.
And about my question, pressure from parents and students, the answers was totally different from the question. My question was, ki how would you handle the pressure from parent side and the student sides? But you elaborate as a means how you can contribute for the means placement or admissions of the girl students. Okay, your answer was totally different as compared to question. So you should try to listen question carefully and give the answer in same direction in which it has asked. Second, my question about how you find yourself as the best candidate for the principal. So just keep it brief. Just tell your skills. Don't elaborate that what you have done in your jobs.
Okay.
If you want to relate it, keep it very short.
Okay.
In every skill in one line only. Don't go for further details. And third one about the new education policy
Yes.
that is need to be revised because being a principal, you should know about the new education policy 2020. Although ITIs are not directly affected with the new education policy, it is mainly for the schools, colleges, and universities.
Yes.
But being a principal in the society will demand that you must know. There's any parents, any students, they can come to you to consult. So being a principal, then you can't say that "Ki, I don't know about it. Means
Yes.
every educator need to know about the details of new education policy, whether it is related to their job or not. You discuss your point at how vocational courses, what is given in the new education policy, that is okay. But the other thing, how schooling will be changed, how college studies will be changed. Although this is not related to your this post, but you must, being a principal, being an educator, I think you must know the basic details. So this thing can also be revised.
Yes.
Now we will move to the Vaneet sir. Sir, over to you.
Are you experienced?
Yes, sir. I
In
have.
which field?
So I have over 4 years of experience as a project engineer in Bharat Electronics Limited, Panchkula, in quality department, and as a production engineer in Secure Meters Limited in production department.
During experience, which devices uses for the work?
So in my previous organization in Secure Meters Limited, I have worked on the SMD machines, that is surface mount devices, and we have used the soldering machines in the PCB integration,
Mhm.
and then in the PIC. We have used various testing equipments to test the meters functioning. The
Which testing
screwdriver.
equipment you use to test the machine or device?
So it was from the company named Agilent Technology working instrument. The calibration, actually, the meters need to be calibrated and tested for the errors, for the tempering. So the machines were calibrated and programmed accordingly to test
Which
those.
device or machine used to calibrate other equipment? As a reference, you are using, if you test any device or machine, you use a reference device. Which
Yes.
device use as a reference? Which measurement is correct?
So actually, it, it was the work of the calibration department, so I'm not exactly aware of that.
Aparajita, I want to ask a question. How to
Yes.
improve the technical skill in ITI student
Yes.
according to your available resources in ITI?
So we can make sure, first of all, we need to make sure that the equipments are as per the need of the curriculum. We need to understand the curriculum first. Then we need to make sure that our trainers are trained to impart that technical education to the students. After that, we can conduct specific sessions based on the skills like the PCB soldering, desoldering, screwdriver operation in basically in electronics, and the knowledge about the components, the active and passive components. So we can schedule those sessions either 1 hour each or 2 hours each, and then conduct evaluations on that basis and make sure that the workshops are held timely so that the students get the right technical education. In addition to this, if I can say that we can also invite the industry experts so that the students are made more aware of the industrial working and they can get more interested towards the technical education.
अच्छा, आपका जो है ITI, आपका कॉलेज में सबसे आपका जो है जो इम्पोर्टेंट जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपका प्रेजेंट रहता है हर इंस्टीट्यूट में, वो कौन कौन सा होता है?
सर इंस्टीट्यूट में अगर हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की बात करते हैं तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैकेनिक के लिए अलग अलग डिवाइसेस जिस पर उनको काम करना है, जैसे रेफ्रिजरेशन हो सकता है, टीवी रिपेयरिंग के लिए हो सकता है, सोल्डरिंग स्टेशन हो सकते हैं, की सोल्डरिंग पंप, द स्क्रू ड्राइवर्स, द केबल्स दे हैव टू वर्क ऑन, एंड द वेरियस द पावर सप्लाई, and the digital ICs they have to work on. Uh, अगर सर वेल्डिंग मशीन्स अगर हम दूसरे ट्रेड्स में जाते हैं तो वेल्डिंग मशीन होनी चाहिए वहाँ पे, रिक्वायर्ड हमारे सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स होने चाहिए, पीपीईज जिनको हम कहते हैं। उसके अलावा सर लेथ मशीन होती है जैसे, तो सर ये अलग अलग टाइप की मशीन हम यूज कर सकते
क्या? अच्छा, आपका जो है सर्किट बोर्ड, आप जानती हैं क्या होता है?
हैं। यस सर।
क्या होता है?
सर सर्किट बोर्ड हमारा जैसे दो टाइप पे, या तो हम एक ब्रेड बोर्ड पे फॉर्म करते हैं या ये हम एक पीसीबी पे फॉर्म करते हैं। पीसीबी हमारा प्रिंटेड सर्किट बोर्ड है जिस पर हमारे ऑलरेडी एक ड्राइंग मेड बनी हुई होती है, फैब्रिकेटेड होती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग ऑफ आवर सर्किट। उसमें हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स के साथ हमारी कनेक्शन होते हैं, वायरिंग होती है, जिससे कि जिसमें अलग अलग कंपोनेंट्स जैसे कि आईसीज, ट्रांजिस्टर्स, रेजिस्टर्स, कैपेसिटर्स, इंडक्टर्स, ये सब कंपोनेंट्स हम माउंट करते हैं ईदर थ्रू हमारा सरफेस माउंट टेक्नोलॉजी जो हमारे छोटे कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, या फिर थ्रू हमारा पीटीएच, प्लेटेड थ्रू होल टेक्नोलॉजी, जिससे हम सोल्डरिंग के थ्रू हम कंपोनेंट्स को प्लेस करते हैं। तो ये सर्किट किसी भी हमारे एक पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन के के लिए फॉर्म होता है, जैसे कि पावर सप्लाई या आईसीज एक्सेट्रा।
मल्टीमीटर क्या होता है?
सब मल्टीमीटर हमारा इसमें 2 टर्मिनल्स होते हैं, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल। इसमें हम टेस्ट कर सकते हैं हमारी कॉन्टिन्यूटी, कि हमारा करंट फ्लो कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, कितना। इसके बाद इसमें अलग अलग फंक्शंस होते हैं कि कितना एक सर्किट के थ्रू कितना करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, कितना वोल्टेज फ्लो कर रहा है। उसमें हमारे पास नॉब होती है जिससे कि हम उसमें अलग अलग फंक्शंस को सेट कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, अगर आपको जो है किसी आपका जो है कंडक्टर का रेजिस्टेंस मेजर करना है
यस।
मल्टीमीटर के थ्रू, कैसे
यस
मेजर करेंगे?
सर, रेजिस्टर में जैसे हमारे रेजिस्टर है तो उसके 2 टर्मिनल्स होंगे। हालांकि उसमें पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव टर्मिनल नहीं होते, लेकिन 2 टर्मिनल्स हैं। तो हम थ्रू जो हमारे मल्टीमीटर की जैसे 2 नॉब्स होती हैं, हम उसमें एक नॉब को एक साइड और दूसरी नॉब को दूसरी साइड हम वहाँ पर प्लेस करते हैं। और जो हमारा मल्टीमीटर में जो नॉब रहती है, उसमें हम रेजिस्टेंस, जो ओम का वहाँ पे सिंबल बना होता है, तो रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर हम उसको मार्क करते हैं एंड इट शोज द रिक्वायर्ड रेजिस्टेंस।
ठीक है। आप रजिता, आपका प्रिपरेशन अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत आपका नहीं है, ठीक है। बस बी कॉन्फिडेंट, आप जितना कॉन्फिडेंट है इस तरह से अगर आप डिलीवर करती हैं, मैक श्योर आपका जो है परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा जाएगा, ठीक है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
ठीक है।
सर, एक चीज पूछनी थी, वो कैलिब्रेशन वाला एक्चुअली मैं रिकॉल नहीं कर पा रही हूँ जो आपने पूछा था, कैलिब्रेशन।
स्टैंडर्ड डिवाइस हम लोग आपका यूज करते हैं, आपका
अच्छा, सो ये
स्टैंडर्ड।
ढूंढना था, ये तो
जैसे
मुझे
देखिए क्या होता है, हाँ, जैसे आपका जो है जो फिजिकल स्टैंडर्ड पर जो आपका बेस्ड होता है, जो फिजिक्स पर बेस्ड होता है डिवाइस, जैसे आप कहेंगी कि मैं आपसे कहूँ कि 1 सेकंड आपका जो मेजर होता है वो कैसे मेजर होता है, या 1 आवर कैसे मेजर होता है, या 1 ईयर कैसे मेजर होता है, तो आपका अर्थ का जो रोटेशन है, एक आपका रिवॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट करता है तो वो 1 ईयर आपका होता है। तो ये जो मेजरमेंट है वो क्या है, स्टैंडर्ड है। और हम लोग का आपका डिवाइस जो है वो नंबर ऑफ आपका प्राइमरी डिवाइस या स्टैंडर्ड डिवाइस, दूसरा होता है सेकेंडरी। तो आप जो यूज करते हैं, जैसे मैं आपको एक सिंपल एग्जांपल दूं, आप जो घड़ी पहन रही हैं, वो जो आपका डिवाइस है वो क्या है, सेकेंडरी है, क्योंकि उसका जो टाइम आप मैच आपका फिक्स सेट करती हैं, वो किससे सेट करती हैं, किसी स्टैंडर्ड डिवाइस से, ठीक है। अब नेट स्टैंडर्ड डिवाइस क्या होता है, जो नेटवर्क बेस्ड है। जैसे हम लोग आपका, अब तो आपका मोबाइल आ चुका है, पर पहले जो हम लोग आपका टाइम मेजर करते थे वो कैसे, तो हम लोग रेडियो से आपका देखते थे कि 9 बजे आपका क्या है, ये 9 बज रहा है, तब हम लोग क्या करते थे, उससे आपका जो है अपने सेकेंडरी डिवाइस को कैलिब्रेट करते थे,
यस।
ठीक है। तो स्टैंडर्ड डिवाइस आपका होता है, उससे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कंपेयर करते हैं किसी भी डिवाइस का परफॉर्मेंस। अगर उस डिवाइस का परफॉर्मेंस उससे लैग करता है, दैट मीन्स उसमें सम अमाउंट ऑफ एरर है, ठीक है।
यस।
ओके, ठीक।
थैंक